Warmer weather is here, and that means milkshakes are back on the menu. Today we're adding to that menu a protein milkshake made without protein powder that's thick, has simple ingredients, comes in multiple flavors, and is guaranteed to hit the spot. So let's jump right into it. To make this one, all you'll need is a blender to get it smooth. For a chocolate milkshake, add right into your blender 6 ounces of milk substitute. I've been using oat milk lately for its thicker consistency, 100 grams of a plain Greek yogurt, 100 grams of fat-free cottage cheese, 14 grams of hemp seed or hemp seed hearts, which are essentially the deshelled or hulled version of the seeds. These are a great source of protein. 80 grams of a frozen banana. Why frozen? It helps thicken it up and allows you to not have to use ice, which helps with the flavor. 25 grams of cocoa powder, 10 grams of a melted dark chocolate or dark chocolate syrup, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Blend those ingredients together until smooth. Not a fan of chocolate? How about a vanilla milkshake? To keep it simple, since we're using most of the same ingredients, all you need to do to make it vanilla is to use a vanilla Greek yogurt instead of plain. Remove the cocoa powder, use 10 grams of honey instead of melted dark chocolate, and use 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract instead of 1. Blend all of those together. While those are blending, it's time for the tip of the day. Did you know that you can easily thicken up your milkshakes, smoothies, dressings, mixes, and so on by using a little xanthan gum? For most recipes, I'll start with 1/4 teaspoon and go from there. Add it into whatever you need to thicken up, mix, blend, or shake it, and watch the magic happen. Now, let's check out how our milkshakes turned out. My goals for this recipe were to 1, obviously have it taste good, and 2, to have a good volume to calorie ratio. Now for a couple of tips. Number 1, if you want more protein or flavor and have protein powder on hand, you can obviously add that in. Number 2, I'll include substitutes for some of the ingredients and nutritional breakdowns for full fat, reduced fat, and fat-free ingredients on our website, theproteinchef.co, which is always linked in the description. And number 3, outside of adding flavor, cocoa powder is a great source of fiber with 2 grams per serving. Before we end this one, I hope you all have been liking the recipes lately. I've really just been trying to focus on simple recipes using simple ingredients. With that said, I think it's time for another question. Milkshake edition. I think we all grew up with Neapolitan ice cream, so my question to you is, which layer did you eat first? Vanilla, chocolate, or strawberry?
No!
I always went with vanilla. Thank you all for watching. Hit that thumbs up button if you want some more quick summer recipes like this one. And if we get this video to 2,000 likes, I'll do another summer dessert. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're almost halfway to 400,000. Follow us at The Protein Chef on social media. And of course, stay healthy.